Okay, so let's see this problem. This is exercise 6.2 question 1. They are saying which of the following statements are true. Now what they are asking, if you see there is proportionality sign or equal to sign between the two ratios. Means we have to check whether the given terms in 1, 2 and 3 are in proportion. When they are in proportion, that time we can say the statement given is true. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The first one is 2.5 is to 1.5 is to 7 is to 4.2. Now we know the formula. When they are in proportion, we know A, B, C, D. The term of the extremes is equal to the term of the mean. Which are the extremes? A and B are the extremes. So the term product of extreme will be equal to product of what? Mean. Okay. Now we know the extreme terms are A and D. The mean terms are B and C. So A multiplied by D is equal to C multiplied by B. If you get this equal to each other, then we will say that they are in proportion and the statement given is true. So let us take A into D. So 2.5 into 4.2 is equal to B into C 1.5 into 7.0. Now when you multiply 2.5 into 4.2, what you will get? 2 5s are 101. Let's see if you multiply this. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 21. 2 2s are 4, 4s are 8. You get 10.50. Correct? Then what is 1.5 into 7? 1.5 into 7, 15 6 are 90, 15 7 are 105. 10.5 and 10.50 is one and the same. So that's why statement 1 is true. Okay, so we got both A into D is equal to C into B. Then we can say it is true. Okay. Now let's do the second one. Let's see the second one, that is half is to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So this will be your A, B, C, D. Okay. Then we know A into D is equal to B into C. We check A into D is equal to B into C. Now take A as half into D is 1 by 4 and B is 1 by 3. C is also 1 by 3. So what you get? Half into 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4 2s are 8, 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. Is this equal to each other? It is not equal to each other. That's why it is not true. the third one. Let's see the third one. 24 is to 16. 24 is to 16. 23 is to 22. Let's see the formula. We can do A, B, C, D. A into D is equal to B into C. Use this formula and just see whether they are equal to each other. So A into D is 24 into 22 and B into C is 16 into 33. Now let's multiply 24 into 22 with 24, 22. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Plus 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. You get 8, 2 and this will become 528. Let's see whether if you multiply 16 into 33, you will get 528 of some other number. So take 16, 33 is 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3, 4. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3, 4. So you get 528. So both are equal to each other. Both are equal to each other. Okay, since they are equal to each other, the statement is true. So which are the true ones? 1 and 3 are true. Second one is false. Okay.